Alright, today we're working on it's a PD150 intake manifold. I got it for the truck, so we're going to clean this thing out. If you can see in there all the buildup. So what I do, I just start with a screwdriver and just start scraping at the inside of it. Alright, that's about as much as you can get with a screwdriver. You can't really get up in here at all. So now, what I'm going to do, bring you guys over here. So this is it's actually a heated parts tank with just degreaser in it. And so I'm just going to soak it in this. And this degreaser is simple green. Works pretty good. And you can use it cold. You don't have to have a heated tank, but the heat works a lot better. So I'm just going to toss this in here, let it soak for a while, and then we'll pull it out and hose it off. And you might have to do that a couple times. And just get a flashlight, shine down in here, make sure you got all the soot out of there. And then I'll show you guys that once it's all cleaned up. So I'm gonna let that thing soak for a while. Alright, so I just pulled it out of the parts washer here. You can see we're pretty clean, and I had it in there for almost a full day. So if your degreaser is cold, it might take a little bit longer. But yeah, cleans up pretty good. So then to get the outside looking good, you can just use mag wheel cleaner, and it brightens it up quite a bit. Alright, a lot of this corrosion and pitting you might have to blast off if you care to get it off, but I ain't too worried about it. So mostly just the inside that I'm worried about. So yeah, that's one way to clean these out of many.